Hello there and welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. Today we're going to check out the new home for the Consumer Experience Guidelines. The Consumer Experience Guidelines are hosted on Notion, a fantastic platform for documentation and collaborating online. This has a number of URLs which can vary in complexity and obscurity. We are proud to announce you can now access all this vital guidance via cx.cds.gov.au. Your existing bookmarks and URLs will continue to work, so don't have any worries there. For all new bookmarks and URLs, you can now use cx.cds.gov.au to have an easier way to store and share the Consumer Experience Guidelines. For example, if we look at the old URL for the collection and use consents. And if we compare that to the new website, you can see it is shorter and more user-friendly with English-readable context in the URL. Enjoy the new way to access the Consumer Data Standards Consumer Experience Guidelines, and thank you for being part of the Consumer Data Standards community.